Hi everybody, I'm Max from Spotahome, Rome. Today I'll show you a shared apartment in the neighborhood of Esquilino. We are in Via Cairoli. This neighborhood is very nice and offers anything you need to have a comfortable stay. We are very close to the Line A subway stations Vittorio Emanuele and Termini, and also very close to the train station Termini, and to the neighborhood of San Lorenzo, one of the main neighborhoods of the Roman Movida. This apartment has 3 bedrooms and we are at the 3rd floor. Let's check the apartment. We start from the entrance here. Okay, we are in the corridor. We have bedroom number 1 here. On the right we have bedrooms number 3 and 4. Sorry, 2 and 3. And on the left we have a dining room and a shared kitchen. Okay, this is bedroom number 1. Okay. All the apartment is freshly renovated, as you will see. And very nicely decorated. We have a double bed here and these wonderful paintings on the walls. There is a TV, a mirror here. Look at this, the furniture. Look at this wooden chair, very elegant. A small desk. This is a sofa bed, a single sofa bed if you have guests sometimes, and a wardrobe. Very important, each bedroom has these glasses that protects from noises. As you can see the difference, if you can hear the difference, it's very important. We have air conditioning, as you can see. Okay, this is the private bathroom. Each bedroom has its own private bathroom. So this is the one of bedroom number 1. We have a sink, a large shower, the bowl and bidet here. You have also this radiator if you want to warm your towels. Okay. Let's check bedroom number 2. Okay. All the bedrooms are quite similar. As you can see, the furniture is quite the same. And also in this case, we have a double bed, a desk, a sofa bed, a single sofa bed, a wardrobe, and a desk. And this is the private bathroom of bedroom number 2. With the sink, the shower, the bowl and the bidet. Very nice. Look at the walls. Very nice. Okay, this is bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 has the biggest private bathroom. As you can see, also in this case we have the bowl, the bidet, the shower and the sink. And this is the bedroom. Very similar to the other bedrooms. A wardrobe here, a double bed, a sofa bed, and a desk. Look also at these paintings, very nice. And to the air conditioning. Okay, this is the shared dining room, as you can see. Also in this case, everything is brand new and freshly renovated. Look at these chairs, very nice. You have 2 furnitures where you can put your things. Here we have a shared fridge, very nice. And there are also, and this is the shared kitchen. Look at this, very nice. we have this table where you can prepare your lunch, and you have pots, pans, anything you need to prepare your lunch. There is an electric oven here, several drawers and storage compartments. You have glasses, dishes, anything you need, and a sink here. It's a very nice apartment, this one. You can find all the other information on our website. From Max and from Spotahome Rome, for today it's everything. Thank you for watching.